4 design ideas to improve curb appeal. Here at Castle Windows, we understand the sense of fulfillment that comes when you pull into your driveway every night. An attractive, well-designed and maintained home is something to be proud of. Here are 4 ways to earn that satisfaction and elevate the appearance of your home. 1. Replace your siding. Worn, outdated siding is not only an energy liability, but it's an eyesore. New, fresh siding that's properly installed makes a world of difference. 2. Restore or replace your roof. Busted shingles, leaks, moss, and cracks will surely pull focus from any beauty your home has to offer. New waterproof shingles with built-in fire resistance can complement existing features and improve energy efficiency. 3. Upgrade your windows. Windows are the underrated aspect of exterior design. A new set will surely turn some heads. Installing bay or bow windows will provide an immediate upgrade to your home's curb appeal, not to mention an added distinction to the interior as well. 4. Replace your entry doors. Doors are the last piece of the puzzle. Look around your neighborhood and get inspired. Because at the end of the day, this isn't just about curb appeal, it's about pride. And here at Castle, we're here to give you a home you can brag about. Reach out for an appointment today.